from two cleanouts, one in the bathroom and one over here. From over here, there's a Y. It's right there in the ground. It's drawn in paint. That's where your sewer is. It's 2 feet deep right there. And so then the sewer is bellied. As you turn into the Y, it's also bellied as you come back through here. Obviously, the same pipe as they tie in. And it starts right there at that cross. Now, you get a lot of stuff down here. We can move it all and expose the pipe here. Now, the pipe is bellied probably because it's sitting on the foundation. And the house is settled oh so slightly, which is about 2.5 inches, I would say. So you have a belly that's holding about this much water through there as water's being used. So this area needs to be raised up, and so it goes on a downhill grade. We need to fix this Y as it ties in, so it doesn't tie into a belly anymore. Then we need to go outside, which I'll show you. Go either through the footer or underneath the footer. Put a 6-inch sleeve in, seal it if it's through the footer, and go outside and dig. Now the outside dig is almost 8 feet deep, right at your clean out outside. That's the first dig. Now that's that first belly as you come from the inside to the outside. That belly is not nearly as bad as the second one, but both of them hold a massive amount of solids. I set off your alarm. I apologize. If anybody asked, it was me. It's a fancy lock though. I like it. Anyway, so around here, what you will see is a whole bunch of white marks. Should probably think about extending those downspouts too. It'll really dry out this area back here. So over here is your septic tank. Now, just on the left up here is your clean out that I was describing. And you have all these tree bushes. See the clean out up there. It's 7 feet deep there. Put some paint up there. We'd have to replace it pretty much from that clean out down and then tunnel underneath and get to the footer and fix all that and then put everything back. Now, we don't guarantee the survival of bushes, and we got to use a machine to dig it because that's a really deep hand dig. It's possible, but nobody likes doing it. Anyway, your tank is right here. It's pretty much bellied from the inlet tee this way. And so that must be the outlet tee. Somebody needs to expose the inlet tee, or we can, and clean that thing out and knock all the grease down into the tank. You probably need to have the tank pumped. I don't think we need to replace the tank tee. It just needs to be cleaned so we don't have to pump it and charge you for that. We do need to dig from here to here. It's 4 feet deep, obviously. And this is where the belly is. At the turn is early. On the video, I didn't even see it because it's so full of sludge down there. And so you fix this belly out here. This is the really bad one. If you fix that one, then you'll have no more sewage problems. You can drain and use and abuse as you normally would. And so that's what we've got.